Hello guys and welcome to Cybersecurity Weekly. Earlier in January we came across the news that Tesla will be giving away free Model 3 for anyone who could hack its computer system. Well, the dreams have come true, I would say. A Belgian security researcher has found a vulnerability in Tesla Model X that allowed him to steal the car via Bluetooth. Leonard Wouters from COSIC, also known as Computer Security and Industrial Cryptography Research Group at KU Leuven, boasted to Wired about the series of security flaws that he found in the Model X's keyless entry system. Basically, he found two vulnerabilities, and the combination of the two vulnerabilities allow a hacker to steal a Model X in matters of minutes. Wouters' attack methods take advantage of Tesla's update system on its Keyfobs, which connects to the car's onboard computer via Bluetooth. He noticed a lack of cryptographic signature on those firmware updates, allowing him to connect a Raspberry Pi directly to the Keyfob's firmware, push malicious update, and essentially ask the car for its unlock code. It's a challenge response system. But first, he needs to trick a nearby legitimate Keyfob into waking up. To do that, he bought his own Model X body control module from eBay, into which he input the target car's vehicle identification number, which is generally printed on the car's windshield. In the next step, he forced the BCM to instruct key fobs that have the same identification number as the car to wake up. The target fob wakes up, he pushes the malicious firmware update, takes the Tesla's unlock codes, and can open the car. Inside the Model X, Wouter then opens a small panel under the center console where he can attach his computer, then authenticate his spoofed key fob and drive away. Being a responsible security researcher, Wouter notified Tesla of the attack and said that the company has begun pushing updates to its Model X cars to stop the attack from working. In response to this, Tesla has also issued a recall for over 9,000 2016 Model X vehicles for engineering faults. This is not the first time when Wouter has hacked Tesla. He and his team has done it twice before on Model S. A similar hack was even spotted in the wild 2 years ago when a British tech executive woke up to find his Model S stolen. When he checked his home's security footage, he saw two men copying his key fob and drive away in the dead of night. Wouter said that despite having some evidences to the contrary, he was quite confident in the ability of Tesla's security engineers. Wouter says that the system has almost everything that it needs to be secure, and there were only few small mistakes that allowed him to circumvent all the security measures. And that is all for this week, my friends. If you like the content, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I will be back next week with latest on cybersecurity. Until then, stay vigilant and stay cybersecure.